In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Gnucash data efficiently and easily in just 5 minutes. Ensuring that your financial data is safely backed up can prevent future headaches and provide peace of mind. So let's get started. First, you'll want to launch Gnucash on your device. If you're unfamiliar, Gnucash is a free accounting software that helps users track their finances. It's a powerful tool, but like any software, it's important to regularly back up your data to avoid losing any crucial information. So once you have the software open, let's proceed to the backup process. Next, navigate to the menu bar at the top of the Gnucash window. You'll want to click on File. This is where you'll find all the options related to managing your data files. From there, hover over Import. This will bring up a submenu with various options. The one you're looking for is Replay Gnucash.log file. Selecting this option allows you to recover data from your log files. Now, you need to select the correct .log file to ensure an accurate backup. You may notice that you have a few .log files listed, and it's very important to select the right one. Look for the log file with a date that matches the last time you saved or extensively worked on your Gnucash file. This date identification step is crucial because backing up the wrong file could result in a missing or incomplete dataset. So, take a moment to double-check the dates on your log files for accuracy. Once you've selected the appropriate .log file, the system will begin to replay the log, thereby recreating your financial data up to the last recorded action. This process is essentially like reconstructing the path of your work, ensuring that all steps and transactions are accounted for just as they were originally entered. And there we have it. With Gnucash, your data is continuously logged, allowing for relatively painless recovery and backup. To further protect your information, consider storing backup copies on an external drive or cloud storage service. This additional step can safeguard against data loss due to hardware failure or other unforeseen issues. Before wrapping up, remember that consistency in backing up is key. Regular backups help guarantee that your financial records are safe, up to date, and can be easily retrieved whenever necessary. Set a schedule for backing up your data, and maybe even set a reminder to ensure it becomes a routine. So that concludes our quick guide on how to back up Gnucash. With just a few simple actions, you're able to secure your valuable financial information and maintain your records without a hitch. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials to leverage the full power of Gnucash.